In this video, I will show you the best app to buy Bitcoin in Switzerland. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. So I'm Swiss and I've tested dozens of crypto apps. And frankly, the best of all is Swissborg. It is a Swiss mobile application for buying cryptocurrencies. And it is really very simple to use, very intuitive. It offers the best prices on cryptos and also has a very high level of security. This is definitely the app I use to buy all my crypto and invest in cryptocurrencies. You will find it below the YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. My affiliate link to register on Swissborg, just click on it and click on download the application to be redirected to the Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store depending on your mobile phone. And what's going to be super cool is that this link will allow you to unlock a scratch ticket that will allow you to win a crypto bonus. Once the app is downloaded, simply open it. Registration only takes a few minutes. You'll see it's quite quick. Once you have validated your account, you will land on the Swissborg app homepage like this. The first step to buy our Bitcoins will be to deposit funds on the application. So we're going to click on the plus at the top right. We will be able to add money to Swissborg either via bank transfer. It takes 1 to 3 business days depending on the bank you are with, or directly through Apple Pay, Google Pay, or by paying with your credit or debit card, where it's really instantaneous. It's really the easiest to use. You enter the number of Swiss francs you want to add to your Swissborg account, you enter next, and then you just have to pay. Your funds will be instantly credited to your Swissborg account. Once that's done, then you apply to go to the invest option at the bottom right, like this, to click on buy cryptos. Then you have the Bitcoin option which appears, you click on it. Then you click again on buy in green at the bottom. Then you can buy with Swiss francs but also euros or other currencies that you have in your Swissborg account. We will keep the Swiss francs. All you have to do is indicate the amount of Swiss francs you want to use to buy Bitcoin. You put next. Then you have the summary of Swissborg fees. What I really like is that it's really ultra transparent with Swissborg. You really have the full detail. Namely, that they offer the best fees on the market and that they also guarantee the best crypto exchange rate, which means that we will really get the most Bitcoin in the transaction. Not to mention that there is a very high level of security on Swissborg. All the cryptocurrencies that you will have on your Swissborg account belong to you at all times, and there is really almost no risk that you will lose them. So then to validate the transaction, you just have to click on confirm. Normally it is done in just a few seconds. So there it is done. We bought our Bitcoins. You saw it was super simple, and that is thanks to the magic of the Swissborg application. Then you can see the amount of Bitcoin that you hold on your Swissborg account. You can even, if you wish, if you go down to the bottom, set up an auto invest to buy Bitcoin periodically. For example, every week or every month, it's up to you. You can set this up by indicating, for example, that you want to invest, I don't know, for example, 100 francs every month in Bitcoin and confirm to launch the auto invest. This way, you invest automatically without having to worry about it. And then you can also at any time take your Bitcoins out of the Swissborg application by clicking on send at the bottom to send them to another crypto wallet if this is ever your case. So there you have it. Don't hesitate if you have any questions. It was Gummy. Ciao.